A graphic advertisement meant to scare Australians into protecting themselves against COVID-19 has angered many in this country who feel that the government has not done enough to help them get vaccinated. The 30-second advertisement shows a young woman in ICU gasping for breath, presumably with COVID-19. She glances around for help, but there appears to be no one there to assist her. The advertisement ends with an encouragement to get vaccinated. Part of the reason this advertisement has caught so much controversy is because as its first airing, Australians under the age of 40 haven't been widely eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine. That's despite young people in ICUs right now in Australia's largest city, Sydney, as the city battles an outbreak of the Delta variant. Australia has administered just around 9 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines for its 25 million strong population. That's one of the lowest rates in the OECD. Critics of the government say they did not procure enough Pfizer vaccines, instead relying on domestically produced doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine. But as this advertisement is airing, Australians under the age of 60 have been told not to get that AstraZeneca vaccine because of the very rare chance of blood clots associated with it. Instead, they've been told to wait for Pfizer. This all as the Delta variant moves through Sydney, Australia's largest city, on lockdown until at least July 16. But speaking Monday, Premier of New South Wales Gladys Berejiklian said it's very unlikely that that lockdown will be able to lift this Friday. Angus Watson, CNN, Sydney, Australia.